Hello everyone, welcome to Centerpivot. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to create emission effect in Substance Painter. First of all, create a fill layer in the appropriate texture set list. And then enable the channel of emissive in texture set settings. If it is not available, then click the plus icon in the channels. Then click emissive. After you getting the emission, just turn on the emission only in that layer. And then change the color as per your emission required. We given emission but it is not visible in the interface, so we need to change some settings in that display settings and shader settings. First of all, go to display settings and enable the glare effect, and then change the settings, the luminance, threshold. Also change the shape to bloom. Now just change the shader settings for the emission intensity. Go to shader settings and then change the emission intensity. Like this way you can able to create any color with the emission, and then you can export that map, and then you can use in that any 3D application which is required. Thanks for watching.